Today we have mashed potatoes, a steak made Creole style with the avocado, and we have a sweet pepper and our flowers, or green flowers, and made by the chef Marie.
A ball doesn't bounce until it hits the bottom. Make peace with your past so it won't screw up the present. No one has the answer. You're going to spend a lot of time figuring things out.
For sure.
People don't get what they deserve. The world will not treat you better just because you're a good person. When nothing can go wrong, it will. A calm sea will not make you a skilled sailor. Don't make one person